In this video, let me show you how to change nickname on Messenger. If you want to add in or change in the existing nickname of your friends on Messenger, then let me show you how it's done. Now before I move on, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and also hit that notification bell so you are notified for more informative videos just like this. And then open up the chat of the person that you want to change the nickname of, and from here you just need to tap on the eye icon that you see on the top right. From this menu under customization, you would see an option called nicknames. You can just tap on that option and then tap on set nickname. This way you'd be able to remove the existing name or the nickname and then type in a new nickname. You can even add emojis as the nickname and then tap on set, and the nickname will be immediately added, and the name will also be changed on the top as you can see. But however, the notification or this notification message will be visible that you changed their nickname. Similarly, you can change the nickname for yourself as well by repeating the same process. And if you want to remove the nickname, you can just tap on remove and the nickname will be removed. So that's the easy way of changing nickname on Messenger. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this.